Chicka chicka boom boom. A told B and B told C, I'll meet you at the top of the coconut tree. We said D to E, F, G, I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom, will there be enough room? Here comes H up the coconut tree. And I and J and tag along K, all their way up the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom, will there be enough room? Look who's coming, L, M, N, O, and P. And Q, R, S, N, T, U, V. Still more, W, and X, Y, Z. The whole alphabet up the uh-oh. Chicka chicka boom boom.
Skip, scat, scoodle, doot, flip, flop, flee. Everybody running to the coconut tree. Mamas and papas and uncles and aunts hugging their little dears and dust their pants. Help us up, cried A, B, C. Next up from the pile up skinned knee D and stub-toed E and patched up F. Then comes G, all out of breath. H is tangled up with I. J and K are about to cry. L is knotted like a tie. M is looped, N is stooped, O is twisted, alley-oop. Skip, scat, scoodle, doot, flip, flop, flee. Look who's coming, it's black-eyed B, QRS, and loose-tooth T. Then W, V, W, wiggle, jiggle, free, last to come, X, Y, Z. And the sun goes down on the coconut tree. But chicka chicka boom boom, look, there's a full moon. A is out of bed, and this is what he said. Dare, double dare, you can't catch me, I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom.